In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do custom date range comparisons in Looker Studio. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable date selector that lets you compare exactly the periods you care about across your report. First, open Looker Studio, previously known as Data Studio, and head to the report where you want to enable custom comparisons. Once your report is open, switch into edit mode by clicking Edit at the top. Edit mode is where you can add components and wire up controls that drive your charts. Next, we'll add the control that powers all custom ranges. At the top toolbar, choose Add a Control, then select Date Range Control. This creates a single selector that can govern the time window for your pages and visuals. Click and drag to place the control on your canvas. Put it somewhere obvious, like the top left of your report, so viewers know exactly where to change dates. With the control on the page, click it and choose Select Date Range. A calendar panel opens. Here's where you define the exact window you want to analyze. Start by selecting your start date. Think about the analysis goal. For week over week, you might choose last Monday as your start. For promotional tracking, pick the day the campaign launched. Then choose your end date. Aligning to complete days, weeks, or months will keep comparisons consistent, especially when you're sharing results with stakeholders. When you're satisfied, click Apply. As soon as you apply, your report's charts and scorecards will refresh to reflect that window. If your visuals are already configured to show comparison metrics, they'll now compare using the period you set. The beauty of this approach is flexibility. You can set any custom span, 3 days, 13 weeks, or a fiscal quarter, and the same control updates the entire page. A few tips to make this work smoothly. Make sure your charts are set to respect the page's date control. Most components do this by default with an auto or controlled by page setting. If a chart doesn't update, check that its data source includes a proper date field and that the chart isn't locked to a fixed date in its own settings. Also consider the time zone of your report versus your source data, since late night events can roll into the next day if zones don't match. That's it. You opened your report, entered edit mode, added a date range control, placed it on the canvas, selected your start and end dates, and applied the range. From now on, you can quickly dial in any custom period and evaluate performance side by side using the visuals you already have.